Welcome to Hamilton Radiator and Auto, a complete automotive service and repair facility. At Hamilton Radiator and Auto, the team of professionals strive to better serve customers. Offering services in radiators, air conditioning, gas tanks, water pumps, timing belts and brakes, Hamilton Radiator and Auto provides free brake, front end, battery, and alternator inspections, as well as tune-ups, scope analysis, struts, and suspension. With 50 years of experience, Hamilton Radiator and Auto offers customer-friendly warranties. Find out why Hamilton Radiator has been a CAA-approved store for 30 years and call for your appointment today.